Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So I know I have to give you guys an update, but it's been rough weeks, no months and everything. So I'm gonna get back here. So here we are. Um, on this episode here, we're just working on the brakes of the Testarossa and on the power windows because they're electric power windows. Well, power windows, yeah. Well, the motor, we're fixing the same on one. So we took it apart, we cleaned it. It was dirty and everything. And then we put 12-volt battery, 12 volts directly, and hit it a few times, and it started to work. So now they're working fine. They go up and down, great. Saludos gente, sé que llevo tiempo sin poner nada, pero aquí le doy un update con el Testarossa, que se los debo. Los motores de los cristales que se repararon los mismos de él, se sacaron y se limpió, se le dieron un par de cantazos y empezaron a funcionar de lo más bien. So, ahora mismo funcionan perfecto, bajan, suben, se le puso corriente directa para probar todo, porque pues el carro, pues la cablería, había unos cablecitos comidos, qué sé yo, pues nosotros hemos cambiado poco a poco, todo dañado. Y adicional, en este episodio aquí, pues le estamos cambiando eso y los frenos, que la íbamos a correr ahora con los frenos, probándolo todo, para darle una carrerita más o menos. Y lo más que tiene ahora mismo es como un fallito de aire, que eso se lo vamos a corregir pronto. So basically, I would say in Spanish that yeah, well, fix the doors and the windows, the power windows. And now I'm working on like a little issue has like when I turn on the car and the idle of the car is like I have to check the spark plugs again. Maybe it went bad. They're new, but you never know. And I have to put the air filter back on and everything started with it. But yeah, it starts first try and everything. We have been working on little by little on the car. Por abajo. Me queda. So this is where we at right now. Again, still need some little bit of tune-up, but check out this other car we just got. The 550 Maranello. V12. And low mileage car. Check this out. Testarossa Rebuild. And see. So we took it to the shop and we started working on the car. We started and it's everything. The car is right now. You can see I washed it and everything, and it was just detailed last week. But I don't have I don't have videos of it. But the car is just in top shape right now. But yeah, it was a cool project. Also, we saw it on. This car really didn't need much; just needed a lot of love. I washed it, and then it was just detailed with paint correction the other day. I'm not sure if I had a video on it. I think I don't, but I'll keep you updated, and I'm gonna update you with the other car. But this car is in really good shape. It just yeah, it was in a shop for a few years, and so check this out. This is a 1990 Ferrari Testarossa, but this is a white with blue interior. It's a rare spec and it has only 13,000 miles. I'm going to show this car around, so little videos so you can enjoy it. So take care guys and see you soon. I'll see you soon. Chequesen este Testarossa del 1990, blanco con azul. Es una combinación rara y solamente tiene 13.000 millas. Así que nos vemos pronto. Hablamos.